That hashbang on line 1 of your bash script. Do you know what it's actually doing? The shebang is a 2-character sequence, hash followed by exclamation point. When you run a script, the operating system reads this first line. It tells the kernel which program should interpret and execute the rest of the file. Think of it as a routing instruction. It hands your script off to the right interpreter automatically, whether that's Bash, Python, Ruby, or anything else. The most common example is hashbang/bin/bash. This tells the OS to use the bash interpreter at that path. You'll also see hashbang/bin/shush for POSIX scripts, or hashbang/user/bin/python3 for Python. The path after the shebang is the absolute path to the interpreter executable. Position matters. The shebang only works on the very first line of the file, starting at character 1. Even a single blank line before it breaks things. The kernel checks byte position 0 for the hashbang sequence before deciding how to execute your script. Without a shebang, you must call the interpreter manually or rely on the current shell. For portability, use hashbang/user/bin/envbash. It finds bash wherever it's installed on the system. The shebang routes your script to the right interpreter, always first, and use envbash for portability. Subscribe for more Linux tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.